join my Key to Gold channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update. Question number 1. Who has been appointed as the counselor in India's permanent mission in the World Trade Organization for 3 years? Answer A. Ashish Chandorkar. The Government of India has appointed a private person, Ashish Chandorkar, as counselor in India's permanent mission in the World Trade Organization for 3 years. Question number 2. Which of the following state will soon set up a Vedic education and Sanskar board to review the knowledge of Sanskrit scriptures and Vedas? Answer C. Rajasthan. The Rajasthan government will soon set up a Vedic education and Sanskar board to review the knowledge of Sanskrit scriptures and Vedas. The board is likely to be formed in the next 4 to 5 months. Question number 3. Global sports brand Puma India has extended partnership with former Indian cricketer Dash. Answer D. Yuvraj Singh. Global sports brand Puma India has extended partnership with former Indian cricketer Yuvraj Singh, who has been associated with the brand for over a decade. Question number 4. Which of the following organization has planned to launch world's first wooden satellite? Answer D. European Space Agency. The European Space Agency has planned to launch the world's first wooden satellite. It is going to be launched from New Zealand. Question number 5. Which of the following state recently launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukt Abhiyan to make the people of the state aware of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic? Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. The government of Madhya Pradesh has launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan to make the people of the state aware of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Question number 6. LIC Card Service has launched a contactless prepaid gift card, Shagun, in collaboration with Answer D. IDBI Bank. LIC Card Service has launched a contactless prepaid gift card, Shagun, in collaboration with IDBI Bank on the RuPay platform. Question number 7. Sustainable Gastronomy Day is observed globally on Answer D. On 18 June. Sustainable Gastronomy Day is observed on 18 June globally to focus the attention of the world on the role that sustainable gastronomy plays in our lives. Question number 8. How much amount was allocated to Kerala under Jal Jeevan Mission recently? Answer A. 1804 crore rupees. Union government has allocated rupees 1804 crore grant to Kerala under Jal Jeevan Mission to make provision of tap water supply to every home. With a four-fold increase in allocation, the central government has pushed for speedy provision of Har Ghar Jal in Kerala by 2023. Question number 9. Recently, how many centers of excellence was inaugurated in Karnataka under Indo-Israel Agricultural Project? Answer B. 3. Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar and Chief Minister of Karnataka B.S. Yediyurappa jointly inaugurated 3 centers of excellence established in Karnataka under the Indo-Israel Agricultural Project. Question number 10. Which state government launched the AI mission powered by NASSCOM? Answer B. Telangana. As part of 2020 Year of AI initiative, the government of Telangana launched the Telangana AI mission powered by NASSCOM. Question number 11. How much amount of budgetary support was approved for research and innovation in the defense sector for the next 5 years? Answer A. 499 crore. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has approved budgetary support of nearly rupees 499 crore for research and innovation in the defense sector for the next 5 years. Question number 12. Recently, the government extended the validity of motor vehicle documents like driving license, registration certificate and permits till which date? Answer D. September 30, 2020. The government extended the validity of motor vehicle documents like driving license, registration certificate and permits till September 30, 2021 in view of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Which university along with the Pune-based organization Lighthouse Communities Foundation will set up centers near slum clusters to help youngsters develop skills for better employability? Answer A. Delhi Skill University. The Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University, along with a Pune based organization, Lighthouse Communities Foundation, will set up centers near slum clusters to help youngsters develop skills for better employability. Question number 14. Which state government sets up Commission to study enrollment ratio of government school students in professional courses? Answer D. Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu government ordered setting up a commission led by retired Chief Justice of Delhi High Court D. Murugesan to look into the enrollment ratio of government school students in professional courses like engineering. Question number 15. Which of the following states or union territory has recently launched Jahan Vote Wahan vaccination program? Answer D. Delhi. Jahan Vote Wahan vaccination aims to vaccinate all people above 45 years against COVID-19 in Delhi within the next 4 weeks. Question number 16. Which organization was appointed as the personal certification body of the Yoga Certification Board of India? Answer A. ICCR. Yoga Certification Board of India has appointed Indian Council for Cultural Relation as the personal certification board. Question number 17. Name the app which was unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the occasion of the 7th International Yoga Day. Answer A. M Yoga. On the occasion of the 7th International Yoga Day on June 21, 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled the M Yoga mobile app. Question number 18. Recently, which platform has expanded cards tokenization with more banks in India? Answer C. Google Pay. Digital payments platform Google Pay has announced further expansion in the footprint of bank partners offering cards tokenization on the Google Pay app. Question number 19. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Udyami Yojana scheme for all women and youth? Answer B. Bihar. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on 19 June launched two ambitious schemes christened as the Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami Yojana and the Mukhyamantri Mahila Udyami Yojana to promote the entrepreneurship among the youth and women of all sections under the state's Mukhyamantri Udyami Yojana scheme. Question number 20. Bharti Airtel and Dash have announced a strategic partnership for implementing 5G network solutions for India. Answer B. Tata Group. Bharti Airtel and Tata Group have announced a strategic partnership for implementing 5G network Solutions for India, which will be available for commercial development from January 2022. Question number 21. Who has been awarded the prestigious Central European University Open Society Prize for 2021? Answer C. K.K. Shailaja. The Central European University Open Society Prize for 2021 has been awarded to K.K. Shailaja, the former Health Minister of Kerala. Question number 22. The Central Board of Secondary Education celebrates National Reading Day annually on. Answer A. On 19 June. The Central Board of Secondary Education celebrates National Reading Day annually on 19 June. Question number 23. When is International Yoga Day observed? Answer C. On 21st June. International Yoga Day is observed every year on 21st June to raise a global awareness of the several benefits of yoga. Question number 24. When is World Music Day observed? Answer D. On 21st June. World Music Day is an annual music celebration that takes place on 21st June. Question number 25. United Nations Public Service Day is observed globally on dash every year. Answer C. On 23rd June. United Nations Public Service Day is observed globally on 23rd June every year. This day is to highlight the contribution of public service in the development process and to value public service to the community.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.